started this trail. We're trying to make it to the north rim of the Grand Canyon before sunset. It is now about 3:52 p.m. and the sunset out here is about 6:40 p.m. Ben went to go check to see if we can get around this tree right here. But I've lost him again. Oh no. He is hurt. Are you okay? Oh my God, he twisted his ankle. Let's hope it's not too bad. He can't even walk on it. We're screwed. We just got on this trail. We have a little handy dandy map. We'll see if this car, after everything we've done to it, will make it through this shrubbery and crazy forest. So here we go. Our little mountain man, limping. We are sideways. Just gonna walk. This is a dead end. It's a dead end. Yep. Swear. I hope I got that. We found a camping spot after a sprained ankle, 5 dead ends. Right?
Yeah.
And look where we are. That's the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon, right in our faces. So cool. We made it! Yay!
Almost died a few times, but we made it.